Time range input can be found in the Consumption Input tab on the Readings section. It's activated by selecting Interval Measurement at the top of the page. Time range input allows you to enter consumption data for any interval up to one rolling calendar year. Start by using the search field, or by selecting the facility from the list. You can set a common time interval for all the meters by selecting the start and end dates from the calendar menu on the top. Click Define Same Time Range for all to copy the defined time range to all meters. The time range can be changed, or it can be set per meter by selecting the time range from the meter-specific calendars. Click Save All to save all the entered consumptions. You can also save each meter's consumption separately by clicking the check marks.